Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Berry Mix Bujo over at Instagram. So today I just have a flip through of my Altered Book Bullet Journal. So this is the first Altered Book Bullet Journal that I ever put together. And I saw this particular method from Barbara of 49 Dragonflies. I'll try to link her video in the description below, but I saw her put together an altered book bullet journal, and since I've been bullet journaling for a while, I thought I'd try it. And what I love about the system is that it combines, in my mind, I think it combines scrapbooking or junk journaling together with bullet journaling. So I thought, it's the best of both worlds. So I decided to try it, and I'm in love with the system. So I'll continue using it. I already have my new altered book bullet journal for the next quarter. Maybe I'll do a video about it. But if you want to see my April theme, I have that in another video. But this one is a flip through of January to March, and I'll show you the different pages that I have. I have a flip through of each month, so you've probably seen all of this before. This is my cover page for this particular bullet journal. This photo is actually part of this particular book that I used. This is the book title, and this photo came from it, and I thought it was very pretty, so I decided to keep it. It's my year at a glance. My quarterly books that I've read, obviously I haven't wrote down. I haven't listed down all of the books that I went through for this quarter. I'll update this one. This is just an old French receipt ephemera. Thought it looked really cute there. My savings tracker podcasts. These aren't podcasts, but the Netflix series that I finished. Index. Have those two as well. A little pocket. This is my January cover. And similar to all of the different months, what I did is I used these elements from the Graphic 45 Time to Flourish paperpad collection, and then I used different digital kits for the background. So this is from Shabby Dabby Duda's Bluebirds, I think Bluebirds and Blossom collection, and then this is from Graphic 45. And then I also use, little tickets and stuff. This is from Artemis, so I love those. This is from my porch prints, those little tickets. So that's January. Then this is February, similar thing, but this one is an ephemera pack that I also included. Vintage tickets. Yeah, those flowers, they're from an ephemera pack. That's February. So February, I used a lot of pinks, a lot of reds, because it's Valentine's Day, and also my favorite color, it's my birthday month as well. I have blank months because, honestly, there are months when I am not really in the mood to plan or, use my planner. I'm not very productive, so I just skip it. Not very, fussed about it. I just use it when I need to use it and when I'm able to use it. This is for March. Again, I really love the color scheme from the Graphic 45 kit. It's green and purple, so I kept with that theme all throughout the month. These are from Loy Design. I just thought it went really well with this particular color scheme. So I'm not done with March yet because I'm filming this before the end of the month. So, but I already have my my weekly spread rather, and then I already also put together my March in review, and then I put together another page. This will be my quarter review, so I have that ready as well. I'll probably fill this in next weekend, and then I kept the rest of the book blank, and then also left this really cool blue leaflet before the pages because I really love the color and it matches this one. So that's my first altered book bullet journal. Overall, I really love it, and I will probably continue this system throughout the year. So I'll see you next time. Maybe the next one I'll film is the flip through of my new altered book bullet journal for probably April, May, and June. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.